Hello everyone. You are most welcome to my first tutorial on video editing. Many of my friends had asked me to teach them editings, so I have made this video. Before starting this video, I would like to thank those who supported me on Instagram for my previous video. So let's get started. Open Filmora. You can download it from the link given below in the description. In this screen, please note that two options, Instant Cutter and Action Cam tool, is only available in versions 8 or later, and this version is only supported in 64-bit operating system. If you're using a 32-bit system, no problem. Rest everything is same. I am going with the aspect ratio 16:9. Because nowadays 4:3 is no more used. Click on the full feature mode. So you're here with the main screen of Filmora. You can see that there are so many options and features. In this video I'm going to show you how to use them in our videos. First of all, click on the Media tab. In the My Album section you can import your own media files from your hard disk. In the next sample color, there are preloaded colors and nice gradients. And in the sample video sections also there are preloaded countdown videos. Note that you may not find all the videos if you have newly downloaded Filmora. So first of all, let's import our video. Fine, double click on the video to preview them, and drag them to add them in your timeline. If you want to remove any of them, just right-click that and select Delete option. Suppose if you want to move your video to the first, just drag it like this. I am going to work only with the sunset video. You can always double-click here to preview your timeline. Let us adjust a few settings of the video. Double-click on the video in your timeline to open video settings. In this tutorial I'm only going through basic settings. I will be dealing with the advanced options in my next video. So, here we are. You can make changes to the contrast and saturation, as well as brightness and tint. There are also so many nice presets in the 3D LUT. You can even transform your video here as per your wish by clicking here. Now suppose if you need your video to be only of 30 seconds, just move your timeline marker to 30 seconds and press Ctrl+B. You can even use the scissor icon here, or the split option by right-clicking. Now delete the splitted video. Cool. You can even crop your video by clicking on the crop icon. Now, let's add text in the video. Click on the text and credits option. Here we have a wide variety of text designs. Note that you have to download some of the elements before you can use them. I am using a simple text. Click on the plus button to add it into your timeline. If you want to zoom in, or zoom out the timeline, you can use these icons. You can even drag your text left or right. Now let's edit our text. Double-click on the text to open Edit menu. Select your top text and click on the Style tab. Here are so many text preset style are available. Choose any one of them. I am selecting this one. Also in the Animation tab you can select how your text will animate in the video. You can write your text in the text box. Click OK, preview this. This looks perfect. Now let's add another media in the timeline. This time I am adding a photo. You can change the duration of your photo here. It has been set to 5 seconds by default. I am changing it to 6 seconds. Let's add transition between them. Click on the transition tab. Here are so many nice looking transitions. I am selecting dispersion blur. This photo looks so dull and boring. Let's make it lively. Select the photo and click on the crop icon, and select pan and zoom. In the pan and zoom option, you can add motion to your image. Set your start box. It is where your image will start moving. Also, set your end box. Till here your image will move, and then, it will stop. Perfect. This image is looking cool. You can add text even here, but I'm skipping this process. Fine. Now let's add music into the animation. Click in the Music tab and select any of the music. Drag it into your timeline. But, as you can see, the audio is more than needed. We only need it till our animation is completing. Just move your marker to the end of your video. Select the music, and press Ctrl+B. Now delete the splitted audio. But the music is stopping suddenly. This sounds very harsh. Let's fix it. Double-click the audio in the timeline. Edit menu will appear. Increase the fade out to some 1 second. Now the audio will smoothly fade out. Cool. Now final step, let's fade out our video as well. Go to Transition tab and select any of them and put it here. You can also save your project by clicking here, so that you can work on it later. Preview this, and your video is complete. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.